Okay, so we're getting a crazy jammy thing here. Where the papers ended up curled out like that, jamming in the back of the printer here. They're jamming up in the back. I took everything out. Look, I did see this little foam thing missing there, but I don't think that's a problem because if you put this thing back in, the paper actually doesn't go on that foam. This foam just is where the fuser sits. But this guy here, you can see how loosey-goosey the thing is. It's also stained all sorts of toner, and these little chunks of things are coming out. What I think happened is I put an old toners in thinking they were new toners. So this guy just goes right in here. Put them back. Show you the air here. Slide them back in there. See, so yeah. Oh, look at that one. Oh my god. Don't do that. We got toner everywhere. So that toner is pure garbage. This magenta, I'm pretty sure, is pure garbage too. So here are our new toners. I'll put a link in the description to these ones I bought. Just take them all out here. I think the blue one might still be fine. You can kind of see when your toners are low, they get all this wasted toner and they start falling on all the different things. You want to wipe these down too on me. Okay, so this is what I do. You probably shouldn't do this, but first off, you should probably replace your toners before they get to this point. There's actually a thing in here. Now that I remember. Yeah, oh, here it is. There's this thing. Flip this up. And then you go like this. Cleans this wire or something. Looks like it just keeps coming on here again. That's not really doing anything. This whole thing. Technically, you should probably just buy a whole nother one of these. Oh, that thing's 157. It's like, at what point is it not worth it to fix this thing? I'll deal with some pink and whatnot on my thing here. I mean, can you just replace these things? I wonder. It's really just that little strip there. Alright, so let's put this back together. Here we go. All the new toners are happy and in their carriages. Slide them back in there. Okay, she's clicked in. Click that down. Click that down. Something fell out of the garbage. Got toner everywhere. Toner on that thing. That all back up. And remember, for safety, always unplug the printer before you start this process. And now this we never had to take out, but I did to see what was going on, so I will put it back. So here we go, plugging her back in. See, I didn't really fix the problem because I just put too much toner in, really. Did get some of the chunks of things that were out there, but let's see what we get. Forget, oh, I can print a... Oh, that doesn't sound good at all. Hear that? That is a bad sound. I think that sound is coming from that big device down there. I think is falling apart as we speak. Okay, so we actually seem to have fixed it. I didn't think that would fix it. We did run out of paper here, so, but you can even see on the back of these sheets, I cleaned all that stuff up. You can see this pink is going away now. I don't know if that's getting rid of the old pink toner that was spewing everywhere, or cleaning that up, or what, but Printed 3 pages successfully so far. Let's try for another 3 here. And then I'm gonna call this solved. Really all I did was get those chunks of things out of there, take everything out, clean it up a little bit, put it back, and now nothing's jamming like it was. Sorry I didn't get a video of it jamming, but you do see the results over here. It was crumpling it up like crazy. The first one wasn't quite that bad, but then it really started crumping up and they were getting stuck in the back door every time here. You have a rear jam, you can just pop this door open. Paper's usually coming right out of here. Just be careful, this is very hot back here. This is the fuser. Melts the ink right to the paper. It burns at the paper, whatever you want to call it. So, alright, hope that helped out. I'll still have the links to those other parts down in the description if you do have to replace those. I'm imagining at some point I'm going to have to replace that roller thingamajiggy. But for now, I don't want to spend any money, so that's it. Thanks much. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Have fun.